Hey guys, welcome to Epic Tech again. So today it's gonna be a different kind of video. So I don't know you guys if you noticed the go-kart right there. So I just hope you guys saw the trailer. So today I'm gonna talk about the go-kart and say how we build the go-kart, those specifications, and what is different or unique about the go-kart. So let's get started without any further ado. So this right here is the go-kart. As you can see, this is the front view, and over here you get two LED headlamps, and you can see the steering systems and all. And now let me move to the back. So right here we get two motors, which is electric one obviously, and petrol engine, which is bridge and straight and fun power. So this is obviously a hybrid go-kart. So let's see the top view right here. So as you can see, this is the electric motor, which is the heart of this go-kart. So this electric motor is about 750 watts, as you can see here, and it's a 48 volt motor, which is a brushless DC motor. So let's move to the engine side now. So I just removed the seat cover, and you can see there is a lot of electrical systems here, and this is a brushless DC motor controller. So I'll just zoom it in there. Yeah. And here we have the all the connections right here, and we have the charger for the 12 volt battery, which is used for the engine starter and horn, headlight, etc. So this converts 48 volt into 12 volts. Since this vehicle is 48 volt, we use 4 batteries. So as you can see the battery, so right under the seat you can see there are 4 batteries, which is 12 volt each, and 48 volt combined. So that's it. And on this side of the seat we have the choke, so you don't have to move behind the engine and just pull it there. And here we have the fuse for the 12 volt, and here of course we have the MCB. So like if something gets wrong, you can just turn off the MCB. This MCB is DC MCB, and it is rated for 63 amps. And here we have a main switch for the engine starter. So enough about the electric. Now let's see how this vehicle runs. So guys, now I'm in the electric mode, and as you can see, the vehicle is moving without any problems. So this is in the electric mode. It's gliding smoothly without any problems, and in electric mode you can get around 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. And there is also a reverse option in electric. So as you can see like this. And now I'll just turn on the petrol to just show you how it works. So I'll just turn off the electric mode. So I'll just start the vehicle now. So as you can hear the sound, this is running in petrol now. There is a lot of noise coming in the petrol mode. And now I'm going to turn on the hybrid mode, which is both the petrol and the electric. So I'm just turning on the electric motor, and now I'll just go a little bit back. And now this is hybrid mode, where you get more pickup, more efficiency, and you get even the battery charging mode also. So I'm just going here. As you can see, the hybrid mode is working perfectly fine. So here we are, me and my neighbor right here. So we are going to go on a fun ride, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. See you there. So welcome back, guys. So I have my go-kart right here, and I kept it on electric mode, and it's on forward. Everything's on. So let me just hit the electric. Whoa, so fast. And it's so fun, to be honest. So guys, if you do like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. So as you can see, the go-kart is right here. And thanks for watching the video. See you soon. Bye.